First, the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita replaces the colonial-era Indian Penal Code (IPC) of 1860. Key highlights: modernization of offense definitions. Certain archaic offenses have been repealed. New offenses reflecting modern challenges, such as cybercrime, have been included. Victim-centric provisions, enhanced focus on protecting victim rights, including compensation and quicker trial mechanisms. Digital adaptation in investigations. New points: stricter punishment for mob lynching. Recognition of gender neutrality in sexual offenses. Criminalization of organized cyber fraud. Focus on communal harmony. Time-bound trials for specific crimes. 2. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam vs. Indian Evidence Act, 1872, marking a transformative shift in India's approach to the law of evidence. This new legislation is designed to address the complexities of the digital age and align evidence laws with contemporary judicial and investigative practices. Key highlights of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023: inclusion of digital evidence, formal recognition of electronic evidence such as emails, digital documents, and metadata. Enhanced guidelines for the admissibility of digital evidence to ensure authenticity and reliability. 3. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023 replaces the Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, 1973. This new legislation emphasizes efficiency, transparency, and adaptability to contemporary challenges. Key highlights: streamlining investigation processes, introduction of time-bound investigations to ensure quicker disposal of cases. Increased accountability for investigative agencies through periodic reviews. Strengthening victim rights, enhanced victim compensation mechanisms. Provisions for victim participation in the justice process, ensuring their voices are heard. Technology integration, use of digital tools for filing complaints, monitoring cases, and recording witness statements. Provisions for virtual court proceedings to expedite justice delivery. Simplified bail procedures, clearer guidelines for granting bail to reduce arbitrariness. Differentiated procedures for minor and serious offenses to ensure proportionality. Community policing initiatives, strengthening collaboration between police and communities to address localized issues and build trust. New points: fixed timelines for case disposal, especially in cases involving heinous crimes. Inclusion of cybercrime procedures. Accountability for law enforcement, mechanisms to hold police officers accountable for misconduct or delays in investigation. Rehabilitation of offenders, focus on rehabilitative justice for minor offenders, including community service and skill development programs.